Hi guys, tonight I'm making sticky toffee pudding and this is banging. Easy, you'll love it, so simple. In here, 175 grams of chopped dates. You can buy dates or chopped dates, it's up to yourself, but I just buy the chopped dates because it's easier, makes life a lot simpler. So in here goes 3/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda and a guzzle of vanilla extract. So let's get a small spoon. Three-quarters teaspoon bicarbonate of soda. Some good old vanilla extract. It does say in the recipe a teaspoon, but I just put in whatever I want. Then with that, we'll fill it up with hot water. So we'll get that filled with hot water. Then we'll put it to one side. But when you fill it up, I just fill it up just so it's covering the dates. And then that way it lets it soak in. The oven is preset to gas mark 4. Before your mixture goes in the oven. So I'll let you see just how much water goes in. I just fill it up so it's covering the dates and then just let that soak. And then that goes to one side. And then in here we have 150 grams of sugar, 150 grams of caster sugar, and 75 grams of butter. Butter has to be at room temperature or it's not going to go right. So you're just baking this for a good mix until all the sugar is combined. Honestly, this recipe is so easy and it comes out perfect every single time I've made it. And I usually do 2 or 3 every Christmas time. You can use an electric whisk if you like, but I don't bother, I prefer doing it by hand. So once you hear all the sugar has stopped rubbing, that lets you know that it's combined and it should look light and fluffy. Right, I'll take through the mix. Right, now that's what it should look like once everything's, the butter and sugar's mixed. Then in here we've got 2 large eggs, whisked at room temperature as well. If you don't have 2 large eggs, you can use 3 medium eggs. But if you use 3 medium eggs, don't use all the mixture, just leave a wee sip left. And then you gradually add in your eggs and then mix in. and then just keep going like this. I usually do it in 3 stages. Right, it's lost the egg mixture in. Right, it's the egg mixed in. Oh. Now in here we have 175 grams of self-raising flour. That'll be going in next, but yeah, I'll just show you the date mixture. So that's settling fine. It does look watery, but don't worry, it always comes out good. Always. Guaranteed. So we'll need a sieve. I'll just get the sieve. Whatever that's right. Oh, you done it. Where's the sieve at? Oh, it's here. Oh, crikey me. Couldn't see for looking, right in front of me. So that's a sieve. I usually do this in 3 stages as well. And then you just lightly fold it in. And then just slowly fold it in, because you don't want to take all the air out of it. But I've been doing sticky toffee pudding this year, for years, and this is far by the easiest way I've done it, and I've never had a bad one yet. But in the video I'll link the I'll put in the ingredients and the method so that it's easier for you. And if you want to try it, give it a try. If you want a bit of advice, send me a message. But if you like this video, please like it, click the like button, follow, share and repost. And then everyone else will get a chance to taste this amazing sticky toffee pudding. So easy and simple. I just put mine into a dish, but you can use the sticky toffee pudding moulds if you want. And just keep going till all the flour's mixed in. As you can see, that's how it's coming along with the flour added. And then don't worry when you add in the dates and the water mixture, you'll think to yourself, oh my, it'll never set. Believe me, it does. Because I was just saying the first time I tried it, because I thought it was too watery. Right, that's that. last batch of flour. Be so good. Amount of times I do this in a year is unreal. And I've only had one fail. And I think that's because the flipping flour was off. It was either flour or the butter, one of the two. But for the butter, you can use any butter as long as it's unsalted. Right, so that's that. It's a mixture before the date mixture goes in. Yeah. That's how that looks. Now we'll add the date mixture, the water, so you just give that a good mix. As I said, you can buy the dates pre-chopped or you can buy them whole, but I just buy them chopped because it's easier and it saves time. Right, it's after one mix, so it is pretty watery. But as I said, don't worry about that because it does dry out. Then we'll just stick in the rest. But this recipe is so easy, it's unreal. If I can do it, anyone can do it. And as you can see, that's how watery it is. Right, it's ready to pour into a dish. Right, let's get up put in a dish. That to one side. Put this to one side in the sink. Right, 2 seconds guys, 2 seconds. Get the spatula. Right, then we'll take this over here. And I've got a dish here, greaseproof lined paper. Took it off here so you can see. And then we'll just get that in a dish. I like to cut my portions pretty big, and I get about 9 portions out of one dish, but if you want to cut them smaller, you might be able to get 12, but I like big portions. So does a family. Right, so as you can see, that is final result. Fine, simple, easy. Whack it in the oven, gas mark 4. I'll include the other oven settings in the post, but I'm just going to go by gas mark 4. 40 to 45 minutes. I usually use Alexa to give me a reminder. So Alexa, oh, it's not even on. So I'll set my phone and then I'll come back and I'll let you see the final result for part 2 if you want. So please like, share and come back.